Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Stein from the Field Library Children's Room, and I'm back today to show you how to do another craft. Today we're going to make a sun catcher. Now this is something that you can hang in your window, in your bedroom or in the kitchen or living room, wherever you'd like in your house, and the sun's rays will come through it, all the beautiful colors, and it's a very cheerful craft. And we'll get started now. Step 1. Look around your house and gather all of the materials that you will need to make the sun catcher. Be sure to check with an adult to be sure you can use these materials for crafting. You will need a clear top from a round plastic container, tissue paper. Any colors are fine. I like to use lots of different colors. White glue, water, Scotch tape, scissors, a paintbrush, ribbon, and a cup to mix the glue and water in. I like to have a paper towel handy too in case my fingers get sticky. Step 2. With an adult present to help you, use the scissors to cut the tissue paper into small squares and rectangular pieces, and put the pieces in a small tray or bowl. Step 3. Using the scissors, with an adult's help if you need it, cut a small piece of ribbon, any color you'd like, and make a loop. Using the Scotch tape, attach the loop onto the underside of the clear plastic top. This loop will be used to hang up your sun catcher later. Step 4. Mix the white glue with a drop of water, and using the paintbrush, brush the glue onto the clear top. Place pieces of tissue paper onto the glue in any design and color combination you like. Continue gluing the tissue paper pieces onto the top until you have covered the whole thing. When it is totally covered with tissue, give it another coating of glue to be sure all the pieces are coated. And there is your finished sun catcher. Let it dry for several hours before you hang it in the window. I used Scotch tape to hang mine from the ribbon. Doesn't it look pretty? Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have fun making your sun catchers. Just like this one, so you can hang it in your window. Be sure to check out the Field Library website and the Children's Room Frog blog for some more fun programs that we've been doing, story times and sing-alongs, and more crafts. Hope you're having a wonderful, fun summer. Stay safe and keep reading. Bye. Miss you. See you soon.